Welcome to today's piano tutorial of 10,000 Reasons Bless the Lord in the key of C. We're going to start off by learning 4 basic chords for this song, which are F major, which I'll play below middle C, starting with F, A, and C, F major, followed by G major, which consists of G, B, and D, G major, and then move up one more position for A minor, which consists of A, C, and E. So again, that's F major, G major, and A minor. And the last chord we'll take a look at is C major, which consists of C, E, and G. But if you guys know me, instead of having that G on the top, we're going to move it down to the bottom. This becomes C major in second inversion, and it's right next to our other chords, so there's no need for making any big jumps. And it sounds a lot nicer too. Moving on to our left hand, which we'll place in F position for the entire song, which means our pinky will rest on F and our thumb on C. Alright, now let's take a look at our super easy chord progression that keeps repeating in some way or fashion in this song, and that is F major, followed by C major, then G major, and lastly A minor. Let's try that just with the right hand, starting with F. F, C, G, and then up to A. Notice that from C to G, the thumb stays exactly the same. C major, G major. Okay, now let's try that hands together, starting with F. Ready? F, C, G, A. One more time. F, C, G, A. Alright, now let's take a look at verse 1, which has the same exact chord pattern that just repeats, except it ends with C. We'll be playing for 2 counts each, except for that second to last A minor, which will play for 4 counts, and our C at the end, you can either play for 4 counts, or as I like to play, with 8 counts, which gives a little air for the song to breathe. Let's try that hands together nice and slow, starting from the beginning of verse 1 with our F for 2 counts. Ready? F, C, G, A minor. That repeats. F again. C, G, A minor. That repeats. F, C, G, A for 4 now. 2, 3, 4 back to F. C, G, and ending with C. 2, 3, 4. Now, again, I like to end that C with 8 counts, and what I like to do is add my pinky for F. So it'll sound like C, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4. Adding the pinky there is optional, but it definitely adds something to the song, and I hope you can learn it. Now for rhythm, what I like to do is alternate between the right and the left hand with the following pattern. Together, right, left, together, right, left, and that repeats. This is optional, but definitely adds momentum to your song. Now let's play our verse again with that alternating rhythmic pattern so you can see what I mean. F, right, left, C, right, left, G, right, left, A minor, right, left, F, right, left, C, right, left, G, right, left, A minor, right, left, F, right, left, C, right, left, G, right, left, A, right, 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 F, right, left, C, right, left, G, right, left, C, right, 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 left, right, left, right, left. Again, this is optional, but definitely adds momentum to your song. Verse 2 and 3 are exactly the same as verse 1, just with different lyrics. Alright, moving on to the chorus. We'll begin with the same chord pattern, starting with F major, then C major, then G major, and then A minor, all for 2 counts. And then our second line starts almost exactly the same, except instead of A minor, we'll just play a G major for 4 counts. So the first 3 chords are still the same. Next, on our third line, we'll start with F major for 2 counts, then hop up to A minor for 2 counts, then back to F major for only 1 count, move up to G major for only 1 count, then move up again to A minor for 2 counts. So it'll go up by step there. F, G, A. And we'll end with F major for 2 counts, followed by G major for 2 counts, and lastly, C major for 4 counts. So again, our first 2 lines will stay relatively the same, with only the third and the fourth line changing up our chord pattern. Let's try that hands together from the beginning of the chorus, nice and slow. F, C, G, A, F, C, G, 2, 3, F, up to A, F, G, A, F, G, C, 2, 3, 4. With the alternating pattern, it'll go like F, right, left, C, right, left, G, right, left, A, right, left, F, right, left, C, right, left, G, right, 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 F, right, left, A, right, left, F, G, A, right, left, F, right, left, G, right, left, C, right, right, right. Moving on to our final chorus, which is exactly the same as our regular chorus, except we'll end with A minor, which will lead us into our tag that repeats F, G, A minor, and finish off our song with F, G, and C. Now, the last thing I want to teach you guys is this little intro. I know I left this for last, but I really wanted you to get our chord progression down into your muscle memory, because this intro that we're about to learn uses the same exact chord progression that we looked at. Our left hand will stay exactly the same in F position, but our right hand will start in C position. Starting in the right hand in C position, we're going to start off playing E, G, then move up our pinky for A and play our thumb, C, and A together. Then we'll repeat that, play G with a 4th finger, and then play C and E together. One more time. E, G, C, and A, C and A, G, C, and E. The left hand will start off playing F, then C, and then C. So hands together, that'll be. You could technically just leave the first C out and just do F, and then go to C, like. But I like to add a little sound there, so I add that C. C. From here, we're going to hop to G position in the right hand and play a G, then move up our pinky again, E, D, C, and then hop to, we're already in A position, so we'll play A and C. So again, that's G, E, D, C, A, and C. And we're leaving that pinky out, not really needed here. From here, we're going to hop to F position and play F and A together, then add C and hop to C position for the next part. So let me just play that from the beginning. Now into the next part, which will play C and G together, and C and E, C, C and D together, and With the left hand, we'll go F, and then C, and then G. So hands together, that will sound like from F position. Again. From the beginning, it'll sound like as you saw there, I was repeating the left hand. That is optional, so if you don't feel like repeating the left hand, you don't have to, but it definitely fills out that sound there. One last time, I'll play this nice and slow. And there you have it, all the options to play that intro. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you can learn it. And that's it, guys. If you'd like to hear those chords with vocals, click the video in the description box below for part 2 of this video and feel free to play along with me. And that's it, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and comment down below with what your favorite worship song is that you'd like to see me do next. Love you guys and see you next time.